me just see if you notice this. The outward drift is a certain amount when looking straight ahead. It's actually more when she looks up and less when she looks down, like a V. And when she looks to the side, the eyes do this. Do you notice any of that, or do you just notice the outward drift?
Personally, it's just been the outward drift, but we've not really been looking
Understand.
for that.
So the reason I ask is there's two ways to proceed here. And one is to, address what is sort of the presenting complaint, because you're not complaining of a V pattern, you're not complaining of that, right? You're noticing that, and so just limit surgery to that, and that's a very reasonable approach. The others say, well, yeah, there is that, but there's that other stuff going on as well, and let's address all at the same time. I don't think there'll be any functional difference which way you choose. In other words, I don't think she'll do better in school or whatever, or sports or whatever, if you do all of that as well. And all of that also could be done at some later date if it were bothersome to her. So I think I'm inclined in this situation to confine surgery to what's apparent, that is the outward drift, and leave the other alone, and just know that if it were an issue later, it could be addressed. How about that?
Okay. Is it something that could potentially get worse? I mean, if not addressed now, you said that it wouldn't affect her in school or in sports or anything like that. But in the event that she needs to have the surgery again as a young adult, would that be something that we would say we should have corrected sooner, or is this something that could get worse and cause her to need it to have the surgery again?
I don't think whether you do it now or not is not going to affect its progression from here on.
Okay.
It's going to do what it's going to do
regardless,
yeah.
Okay. All right.
We're done.